Hello, my name is Jesus Jaramillo. This video is for ITT-310, and this is the final portion of the tip calculator program for topic 6 assignment. So we had the alpha, which was not a complete program, but it did prompt the user twice for data. First set of data was for the bill amount. Second prompt was for the tip ratio, and that was all. The program stopped there. So then the second part of the program was the alpha, which continued with taking those two pieces of information of data and calculating the tip amount. And the tip amount was printed, given to the user, and that is where the program ended. It did nothing after that. But it was almost complete, but that was the beta version. So now we have the final version, which will not only print the tip amount, but it will take that tip amount and add it to the bill to provide an updated bill amount, which is what the user will pay the service provider. And that amount will be printed on the screen as well, so the user knows exactly what they need to pay. So here we have the additional code, which of course will take our float and do the ratio. The calculation which will be the tip ratio multiplied by the bill amount, and the tip ratio is a percentage, so it will be added. It will be when the user is prompted, the user will add a decimal for the tip ratio, so it can be 0.10 for 10%, 0.15 for 15%, and that number will be multiplied by the bill amount, giving the tip amount, which is then added to the bill amount to give the final amount. So this is the additional code that we added here to take care of that calculation and also print that number. Doing the calculation is not enough. The user needs to be able to see that new amount so they know what to pay. So that's important there. So the alpha and the beta code is the same. All we did was add more to it. Let me scroll up a little bit here so we can see everything. There's our header, we have our floats, and then we have the alpha and beta code, and then the new code that we have added there to take care of the final portion of the program. So let's go ahead and run this here. We'll do a clean solution, and we will do a run. So let's run it. We should get everything, and the last bit of the program should be the bill amount total, the new one. Alright, so there is our prompt. So let's enter a bill amount. We'll start with the small number first. So $20 and some change. And now we have to enter our desired tip rate, which has to be in decimal form. So I will tip 10% this time. And it could be less than that or more than that, depending on the user. And there is our tip amount. And there is our total amount, our new bill amount. So the alpha stopped here. All right. We got these two, no errors. We knew that the data was collected. Nothing was done with it yet. The beta version took these two numbers and calculated them to provide the tip amount. That was the beta. Beta stopped there, no errors, it worked, but that was where we're at that point. Now the final part of the program is everything included now. Now we get everything. We get the tip amount and we get the updated total, which is the bill amount plus the tip amount. We get the final bill here. That's what we can pay the service provider. We know we got the bill covered and the tip covered. So everything is working as expected. And we did a small number there. Let's do a larger number. Make sure that works too with the larger number and a different tip ratio. So we're going to clean the solution here. We're going to run again. This time we are going to do something bigger. Let's do, say the bill was 120 and some change. Alright, let's tip a little bit more this time. 15%. We're going to hit enter. I want to know what my tip amount is, and I want to automatically add that to the bill amount so I can get the final bill so I can pay and be done. So there it is there, $18 of gratuity added to the 120 there, the original bill. Now we have an updated bill of $138. So now we know what we have to pay. We got our bill gratuity covered. We're good. So the program works as expected. No errors. Everything's working fine. Any number will work. As long as the tip ratio is a decimal, the tip amount will be correct and the bill amount will be correct as well. All the information we need is there. No issues. So that is the final portion of this program. So we can say that it's ready to be used. Everything is good. No issues. This is the tip calculator program. And again, my name is Jesus Jaramillo. This is for ITT 310. Thank you.